Hey guys, today I have Silly Poos from Silly Squishies. These are the blind box squishies and I've ordered 8 of them. I did choose which ones that I wanted. You do have that option. They're a little bit more expensive though, but I don't know which ones are in which boxes. So let's get started. So let's take a look at the box. There are a variety of scents and lots of different styles. We already have some of them, like this sprinkle one. I think we have the s'mores one too. And here are all the styles you could collect. There are, I think, 15 in total, including the toilet paper. Oh, and they're actually taped on all sides. The first one we got is this mint chocolate chip one. There's the licensing. And it totally smells like mint chocolate chip. It smells really, really good, like ice cream. Ooh. This one looks like pancakes almost. Or is it a waffle? It's a waffle. And it definitely smells like syrup, like maple syrup. It smells really good. Ooh. This is the bubble gum. Oh, this one's really airy. And it's super soft, but it's actually pretty fast rising, which I like. It's got kind of a minty, almost toothpaste-like smell. Ooh, Galaxy. It's a unicorn too. This one feels actually kind of wet. So this is actually the unicorn, not the galaxy. I can't quite place the scent. It reminds me of like one of those scratch and sniff stickers from when I was little, but I'm not sure exactly what the scent is supposed to be. So now that we open a few, let's just go over the list again. There's unicorn, mint and chip, cupcake, which I have already, mocha latte, cotton candy, s'mores, toilet paper, ballerina, nerdy, princess, waffle, galaxy, emoji, cheeseburger, and bubblegum. Ooh. This one looks like cotton candy. And I love how there's like little hearts all over the face. This one also feels a little bit wet almost, which is kind of a weird feeling. I love the colorful swirl color. Don't know if it smells like cotton candy. It smells a little bit sweet though. And this one looks like a ballerina. Isn't she pretty? This one's like peach scented. It smells really good. 2 more left. And I believe this one is the mocha latte. Also kind of looks like a cinnamon bun, but what if it smells like coffee? It does smell like coffee, but it's pretty faint. So I'm looking at the list to see which might be the last one. I think it is the Galaxy one. Oh, yeah, it is. They also have, I think, the option to buy like the entire set if you're interested in getting the entire set. And it's actually pretty reasonable, I think, the price for all of them. I'd already gotten some, so that one didn't really make sense to get, but these are really cute. They're really soft. They smell great. I'm gonna say this one smells like grape, but I'm not sure. And if you've shopped with Silly Squishies recently, you'll notice that they've actually dropped their prices by quite a lot, so they're pretty reasonably priced now. And I don't know how much shipping is to the US, but shipping to Canada has actually increased by quite a bit, maybe double or triple, and so it's gonna be kind of expensive for me to buy from Silly Squishes from now on, even though the price of the squishies has gone down. The shipping is like, I think $30 or something for me, which is too bad because I really do like their squishies and they have some cute ones coming out. But glad that I got these while I did. And let me know in the comments which one is your favorite and if you think they were worth it. I think I ended up paying about $5 each for these to be able to choose the one I wanted. But like I said, you can go with the completely blind option where you don't know how much they are, or you can just buy the entire set. I think they have that option as well. I'll leave their website in the description box below. And if you'd like a shout out in a future video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and comment down below with the hashtag TinyLove and tell me which one you like the best, because I like to hear that too. Thanks guys, bye.